Sure, let me dive right into a tutorial about implementing directory synchronization tools for integrating with Azure. As a cloud architect and a tech enthusiast who appreciates the seamless nature of these solutions and understands the need for robust and reliable data management. So, directory synchronization, syncing your on-premises Active Directory with Azure Active Directory, is actually kind of a must-have for any modern enterprise aspiring to fully leverage Microsoft's cloud-first strategy. It's like when you are making new friends, syncing your social circles ensures everyone is on the same page, preventing misunderstandings and keeping friendships balanced. In a business sense, picture your IT infrastructure as an extended family. Your legacy IT systems are like grandma's old house, cozy and familiar, but not as secure or efficient for hosting events anymore. Meanwhile, your organization's future needs to run like the dynamic, expanding, and flexible community center that your company is becoming. The introduction of directory synchronization seamlessly interlinks the old with the new, ensuring that when you move your family's photos from grandma's attic to the center's archives, everyone's included, and no precious memories are lost. But back to Azure. See, Microsoft Azure's hybrid capabilities let you marry the robustness and scalability that cloud and YouTube has to offer with the control and security of your own IT environment. Now, synchronization tools are what tie these two separate realms together smoothly. They are like that great big, well-organized fridge you keep in the kitchen. On one side, you've got freshly prepared foodstuffs ready and waiting to be shared at a party in the living room. The refrigerator, a seamless integration, ensures everyone gets what they need. It's about making life, or, in our tech talk, operations, seamless and easy for everyone involved, whether it's employees adding their details or the IT team managing assets. Nowadays, having directory sync is not just about having the latest tech, it's a critical strategic process. There's this senior cloud architect, let's call them Alex, who knows this inside out. Alex understands that for an organization to truly capitalize on the power of cloud services, everyone's information and access need to flow smoothly between on-premises legacy systems and the dynamic Azure environment. It's like knowing the right playlist for a sophisticated mix night. It keeps everyone in sync, from the DJ to your guests, and ensures the evening is flown through, hitting no unexpected notes and setting the right mood. So, Alex tells you, first things first, picking the right directory synchronization tool for Azure can make or break your strategy. Microsoft has some of the best options out there, especially ones that handle seamless integration between your on-premises systems and the Azure cloud. It's like handpicking the best DJ. They've got the sound mixer, a solid tracklist, and a knack for keeping the party's heartbeat constant. Diving deeper, Alex talks about the tool's capabilities to manage and map AD identities, which is pretty fundamental stuff. Think of it like keeping a guest list, Alex explains. Easy access to everyone's names, contact information, and preferences helps in catering to their needs without mix-ups or having to run back and forth. It guarantees everyone feels included by maintaining accurate, up-to-date directory data. Whenever there's a change or adjustment to be made, Alex assures, just like when mixing tracks, the right tools facilitate real-time changes to the data, keeping the party going flawlessly as organizational changes or policies come in. It's all about dynamic adjustments in real time, synchronization at the speed of music. Now, let's chat about the implementation. The whole process feels less like a technical exercise and more like orchestrating a dance between two well-rehearsed companies. It's about setting the stage, Alex says with a smile. So when your business steps into the Azure world, not a soul is stripped up. That's where proper planning, testing, and role-based access control come into play. But let's not forget security, an aspect Alex takes as seriously as the guest's comfort at a grand event. In syncing directories, keeping everyone's personal details safe is essential. Multi-factor authentication, encryption, and comprehensive log management, these ensure privacy and compliance, just like a VIP party maintains exclusivity and confidentiality. So, while it might not feel as commonplace as having a backyard barbecue, directory synchronization is all about making the transition to the cloud as smooth as a well-executed wedding playlist, seamlessly integrating the back end with the cloud's capabilities, ensuring everyone's included, and keeping the enterprise agile. With that insight and expertise, Alex stresses, always remember, the right sync tool can help you orchestrate a hybrid environment that's secure, compliant, and future-proof, setting up your IT infrastructure with agility and finesse. It's about crafting a digital legacy that keeps everyone connected and secure, just like a family legacy event that's enjoyed by generations. And there you have it, a deep dive into implementing directory synchronization tools for seamless Azure integration, shared in good company, with a nod to the practical and strategic depths that senior cloud architects bring to the table. Visit Neeraj at qzid.io for more content like this, and subscribe to TechLab for real-time discussions on the latest and greatest in the digital world.